Hi guys, it's Melissa from Nature's Garden. Today I'm going to show you how to make a body frosting using our Butt Naked fragrance oil. Let's whip it up! Okay, so today we're going to be making a body frosting using our whipped soap base. And we're going to scent it with our Butt Naked fragrance oil. So we're going to start with 454 grams of our whipped soap base. And we're going to add to it our fragrance oil and our color. So we're adding the Butt Naked fragrance oil and we're adding 23 grams. We're also going to add some vanilla white color stabilizer because Butt Naked does have a vanillin content, so it can discolor. So you want to make sure you add the color stabilizer. And we'll start with our pink color. We're going to do a pink and a blue. So we'll start with the neon pink Fun Soap Colorant. And we're just going to add a few drops. And we're going to use a hand mixer to whip it to a whipped frosting type consistency. Okay, now that we have this nice whipped cream type consistency, we're gonna go ahead and add some powdered sugar to it. That's gonna thicken it up a little bit, so it'll be a little bit thicker. We're adding 140 grams. And now once again, we're just going to go ahead and use our hand mixer to get that same consistency again. Okay, so for now we're gonna go ahead and set this aside, and we're going to create our blue whipped frosting. We'll go ahead and clean up a little bit and come back and do the blue. Okay, so now it's time to move on to the blue whipped soap base. It's very important that you start off with a clean hand mixer. We're using our beaters here and we have cleaned them, so let's go ahead and get started. We have, once again, 454 grams of the whipped soap base, and we're gonna go ahead and add the Butt Naked fragrance oil and the vanilla white color stabilizer, and we do have 23 grams of each. And this time we are going to use our neon blue Fun Soap colorant. We'll go ahead and just add a few drops once again. I'm just going to go ahead and add a couple more drops just so it's a little bit brighter. Okay, now we're going to go ahead and once again add powdered sugar, and once again we're adding 140 grams. Now that we have a nice whipped frosting consistency, we are going to go ahead and put it into our jars. So we want to do a swirl of blue and pink. So we're going to use a piping bag to do this, to add them to our jars. So what we're going to do is start with a piece of press and seal. You can also use cling wrap if you'd like. And we'll place some of our blue. And then we're going to place some of our pink right next to it so they butt up to each other. And now we're just going to roll it up. We're going to twist the edges to seal them as we're doing this. so that it doesn't come out. And I've already prepared a decorating bag, and I have a tip on it. You could use whatever type of tip you want. It really just depends on how you want it to look in the jar. What we will do is place this directly into, well, first we have to cut the edge, or cut the corner of one side. And then we're going to place it right into our decorating bag. And then we're simply going to pipe our whipped soap into our jars. And there you have it. It is that simple. We're going to go ahead and repeat this process until we've filled all of our jars. But making your own body frosting is really that simple. So make sure that you check out our website for even more fragrance fun ideas at www.naturesgardencandles.com. Make sure that you're subscribed to the channel and that you like the video and comment below. And until next time, we will see you later. Bye, guys.